Someplace where she could lay her head, where she could give her babe a quiet bed.
Was there a room, no corner there, in all the town as much as one can spare?
Was there no soul to our aid? A stable bed was where the family
Do you have room for failure? Do you think heaven? Have you a place for the one who lives and died for you? Are you as humble as a shepherd boy? Chorus wise as metaphor.
Would you have sought the light?
Do you have room?
Stars, wondrous light, a sign from God. This was the holy night, and yet so few would come to see the babe who came to rescue you and me. This child divine is now a king, the gift of life to all the world he brings. All mankind he saves from you. On that night for him there was no room. Do you have for a Savior, and do you seek him anew? Have you a place for the one who lived and died for you? Are you as faithful as a shepherd boy, or as wise as men? Would you have come at night? Would you have sought the light? Do you have room? Will you come tonight? Will you seek the light? Do you have room? I'm sorry, love. There's no room for us to stay. But there was men who offered us a stable. What have you?
That will be fine. The Lord will provide for us with all that we need, and we will continue to trust Him.